Morning children. Let's start our math class. Is it math class? You have any doubt? Yes. Text എല്ലാവരും കണ്ടോ? ടെക്സ്റ്റിനകത്ത് നോക്കുമ്പോൾ we think that is it any English text or history text or SS text or comic text like that. But it is maths. ഇതിനകത്ത് നമ്മളുടെ ഈ വർഷത്തെ മാത്സ് വളരെ രസകരമായിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷത്തെ സ്ട്രെസ്സുകളെല്ലാം മാറ്റി വെച്ചിട്ട് let's enjoy our maths class. Okay, now let's continue. I read the text. Okay, text വായിച്ചിട്ട് നമുക്ക് അങ്ങോട്ട് കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്തിട്ട് പോകാം. അതിനകത്ത് വരുന്ന മെയിൻ പോയിന്റ്സ് പറഞ്ഞുതരാം, റിവിഷൻ വർക്ക്സ് അതെല്ലാം നമുക്ക് ചെയ്തു പോകാം. ലാസ്റ്റ് we discuss we'll read page number 6. Let's continue. Fishermen can feel the wind and look at the sun to find out which way to go. Many of us would get lost and not able to find our way on the sea where you only see water and nothing else. That means the fishermen that goes to the sea for fishing, they can understand the directions. How they understand the directions? By the help of sun in the help of how എങ്ങനെയാണ്? The sun rises in the east, so the sun rises in the east and later they move to the right side up to west direction. So means സൂര്യൻ കിഴക്കൂന്ന് പടിഞ്ഞാറോട്ട് അസ്തമിക്കും. ഫസ്റ്റ് മോർണിംഗിലാണെങ്കിൽ ഇറ്റ്സ് the sun is on east side and the evening side on west side. After evening they yes, സൂര്യൻ അസ്തമിക്കുന്നു. എവിടെ? സൺസെറ്റ് അറ്റ് സീയിലാണ് സൺസെറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് പറയുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ അവർക്ക് ആ സൂര്യൻ അസ്തമിച്ച് പോകുന്നതിൻ്റെ ആ ഒരു ഡയറക്ഷൻ വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് അവർക്ക് ആ ടൈം വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് അവരതിൻ്റെ ഡയറക്ഷൻ. ബട്ട് വി കനോട്ട് അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ് ദ ഡയറക്ഷൻ. നമ്മൾ എവിടെ നോക്കിയാലും വാട്ടർ ഈസ് വാട്ടർ. എവിടെ നോക്കിയാലും വാട്ടറാണ്. Can you find out the direction of can you find out the time by watching the direction of sun? സണ്ണിൻ്റെ നോക്കിയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും ഏത് ഡയറക്ഷനിലാണ് നമ്മൾ മൂവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഒന്ന് ശ്രമിച്ചു നോക്കണം. ഇനി നിങ്ങൾ യാത്ര ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയങ്ങളിൽ ജസ്റ്റ് ട്രൈ ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ദ ഡയറക്ഷൻ ബൈ ദ ഹെൽപ്പ് ഓഫ് സൺ. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് വാട്ട് എ ക്യാച്ച്. Out on the sea, the fishermen look for a place where they hope to find a good catch of fish. They spread their last net to there and catch the fishes. They know that there is more fish. Okay, that means they will have to wait for many hours for the fish coming to the net. First, they identify where they can get more fishes in sea, and they spread their big net there and wait for sometimes means 2 or 3 hours, and the fishes enter the net. They catch the fishes. Okay, some boats have motor. Here the fishermen go to the boat. Which boat? Log boat. Okay, but some boats have motors. They can move speed. They can travel very speed. Since they go far out, they can catch more fish. So the motor boat can go faster and deep sea, and they can catch more fish. Okay, the log boat cannot, or fishermen that go went to the sea by log boat, they cannot catch more fishes, and or they cannot go to the deep sea, means ഉൾക്കടലിൽ പോകാൻ അവർക്ക് കഴിയില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് so motor boats can move to the deep sea and catch more fishes. How far? There is a question for you. The motor boats travel faster at the speed of about 20 km in 1 hour. So look, motor boat can travel very high speed. Understand? That means there is a question for you. At the speed of about 20 km per hour means in 1 hour the motor boat can travel 20 km per hour. Per means 1 hour. In 1 hour boat traveling 20 km. Then there is a question for you. How far would the motor boats go in 3.5 hours? Then in 3.5 hours. How travel. How many distance they can travel, or how far would the motor boat can travel? Or motorboat can travel 20 km per hour. So how much or how far they can travel within 3.5 hours. So from here we want to find out the kilometer or the distance that we travel in 3.5 hours. So 20 kilometer per hour. So 20 kilometer per hour in 1 hour. In 1 hour, 20 kilometer. Okay, that means in 1 hour, 20 kilometer. So in 2 hours, how many? 2 hours. 1 hour 2. Then again 1 hour. That is 2 hours. So that is 20 plus 20. 20 plus means 40 kilometer. Okay. In 1 hour 20 kilometer. 2 hour. 2 means 1 plus 1. That means 1 hour plus 1 hour means 2 hours. That is so 220 plus 20 is equal to 40 kilometers. Then again 3 hour. 3 hour means 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 hour. Okay, right? 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 hour. The first 1 hour 20. Again 1 hour 20. Again 1 hour 20. That means 60. Okay, 60 in 3 hours. 60 kilometer that the motorboat can travel, and there is in 3 hours 60 kilometer, and we want to find out half hour in half hour. So in half hour, in 1 hour 20, half means it's by 2, it's half means 1 by 2. So we want to divide 20 by 2. 1 by 2 is half. So here also we want to take the half of 20. Half of 20 is 10. Okay, so in 3 hours, 3.5 hour, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Understand? Remember that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So half hour, we can write it 1 by 2. Half hour is equal to, it's half. 60 by 2, 30 minutes. Okay, so in 3 hour and half, 3 and half hour, 3 hour 60 kilometer. In 3 hour the boat travel 60 kilometer, and you want to find out the distance traveled in half hour. It's half. 1 hour 20 ആണെങ്കിൽ half hour, and the പകുതി ആകുമ്പോൾ എത്ര കിലോമീറ്റർ പോകും? 10. So plus 10 is equal to 70. So the answer is the motorboat travel 70 kilometer in 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours. Understand all of you? So the question again I can explain you. How far? Question is that how far would the motorboats go in 3.5 hours? There is in question there is a clue is given, that is the speed of boat. The speed of motorboat is 20 kilometer in an hour. In 1 hour. 1 hour 20 kilometer speed പോയാൽ 1 ന്റെ പകുതി എത്ര? half. Okay, half hour 20 യുടെ പകുതി പോകും അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ 30 minutes, sorry 10 kilometer. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ ഓർത്ത് വെച്ചേക്കണം. സ്റ്റെപ്പ് ഞാൻ എഴുതി കാണിക്കാം. In 1 hour, distance, here distance, here time, both column. Okay, in 1 hour 20 kilometer. Then half hour is half, 10 kilometer, sorry 10 kilometer. Okay, 1 hour is 20 kilometer, half hour is 10 kilometer. So 2 hour means it's a double. 20 into 2 means 40 kilometer. In 3 hour, again plus 40 plus 20, 60 kilometer. Then 3 hour and half minute. Sorry, half hour. That is 3.5 hour. 3.5 hour എത്ര? In 3 hours 60 kilometer plus in half hour 10 is equal to 70 kilometer. All doubt is there? No. Then there is another question. How much time will they take to 85? How much time will they take to 85 kilometer? അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ 85 kilometer cover ചെയ്യാൻ how much time the boat take? That is the next question for that. In 1 hour 20 kilometer, we want to find out the time taken for how much kilometer? 85 kilometer. 85 kilometer. The answer is that for 20 kilometer, how much? How many hour? 1 hour is already given. 1 hour. Okay. Then 40 kilometers. It's a double. 20. It's a double. 40 kilometers. So 40 kilometers. So we doubled the time also. 1 2 changes to 2 hours. Again 4 again 20. 60 kilometer. We multiply. We add 20 by 20. 20 വെച്ചിട്ട് ആഡ് ചെയ്തു പോകും. സിമ്പിൾ ആയിട്ടാണ് പറയുന്നത്. ഇക്വേഷൻ ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ട്. തൽക്കാലം ഇങ്ങനെ പഠിച്ചു വെക്കാം. ഓക്കെ. 20 വീണ്ടും again 20 ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 40 ആവും. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിന്റെ ഡബിൾ ആവും. ഓക്കെ. ഇതിന്റെ കൂടെ again 20 ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 60. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിന്റെ കൂടെ വീണ്ടും 1 ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഇവിടെ 1 വെച്ച് ഇൻക്രീസ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഹിയർ 20 വെച്ച് ഇൻക്രീസ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. സോ ഹിയർ 3 hours. ഓക്കെ. again here 20 add 20 80 kilometers. So the time is again add by 1 4 kilometers. Then the half there is 5 another 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers. Here in 1 hour 20 kilometer travel. So half in 1 hour 20 kilometer. Understand? Then is half means half hour. Half means 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 minutes 20. Again it's half 30 minutes and the time distance is also half 10. Again is half here 5 kilometer. Again is half. That means ഒരു ക്ലോക്കിലെ 4 പോർഷൻ ആയിട്ടല്ലേ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഇവിടെ വരെയാകുമ്പോൾ 15, here 13, here 45, again 60. അപ്പോൾ ഈ 1 hour എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് 4 ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്താൽ ഇതിനിടയ്ക്ക് ഒരു 15 വെച്ചിട്ടല്ലേ 50 15 15 15. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? സോ ഈ 20 എന്നുള്ളത് നമ്മൾ 4 ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം. 4 ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എത്ര വരും? 20 divided by 5. So 5. അപ്പോൾ 5 കിട്ടണം. 20 ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ 4 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഈ ടൈമിന് ആറിനെ ഈ 60യെ നമ്മൾ 4 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് 4 ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ഈ 20യെ 4 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് നമുക്ക് 5 കിട്ടുന്നത്. സോ നമുക്ക് ഈ 1നെ അതായത് 60യെ 4 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യണം. 60 means 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Don't forget it. അപ്പോൾ ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് നമ്മുടെ റിവിഷൻസ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിനെ നമ്മൾ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. എത്ര? 15. അപ്പോൾ 60 മിനിറ്റിനെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 15 കിട്ടും. So in 5 kilometer 15 minutes എടുക്കും. 5 kilometer 15 minutes. അപ്പോൾ 80 kilometer 4 hour, 5 kilometer 15 minutes. So for the time taken for 85 kilometer means 80 plus 5 is 85. That means so we want to add the time. That means 4 hour plus 15 minutes is equal to 4 hour 15 minutes. Answer is 4 hour 15 minutes. മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഈ ആദ്യത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് മനസ്സിലായിട്ടുണ്ടോ? അങ്ങനെയാണ് രണ്ടാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഒന്നുമില്ല. അതേപോലെ ഇതിന്റെ റിവേഴ്സ് ആണ്, ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ആണ് ചെയ്തു വരുന്നത്. ഇവിടെ എത്ര 85 kilometer how many time will taken for travel? 85 kilometer. That is in the question 1 hour is need for traveling 20 kilometers. So for 80 kilometer we want to travel 4 hours and we want to also find out the balance of 5 kilometer. How much time will taken for travel 5 kilometer? That means 5 kilometer. 20 kilometer 1 മണിക്കൂർ ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിന്റെ പകുതി 10 കിലോമീറ്ററിന് അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? 10 കിലോമീറ്ററിന് അരമണിക്കൂറാണ്. വീണ്ടും 10ന്റെ പകുതി 5 കിലോമീറ്റർ. 5 കിലോമീറ്റർ നമ്മൾ വീണ്ടും ആ 30ന്റെ പകുതി. ഒന്നുകൂടെ എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്യാൻ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ വരും. സിമ്പിൾ ആണെന്ന് തോന്നും, കാൽക്കുലേഷൻ വരുമ്പോൾ ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ട് ആയിട്ട് തോന്നും. അതായത് 20 കിലോമീറ്ററിന് for 20 kilometer 1 hour needed. Understand? 1 hour. So it's half. Half of 20 is 10 kilometers. So we want to take the half of that time. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So here 10 kilometer half hour. Half hour means 30 minutes. Okay, understand? 30 minutes. Because 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Don't forget. So again it's half. 5 kilometer. 5 kilometer again take its half also. 1/2 into half 1/4 ആണ് കാണിച്ചത്. So 30 minutes means അതിന്റെ half വരുമ്പോൾ 15 minutes. അപ്പോൾ മനസ്സിലായോ? അപ്പോൾ 5 കിലോമീറ്ററിന് 15 minutes. ഇവിടെ 80 കിലോമീറ്ററിന് 4 minutes. അപ്പോൾ 80 plus 5 ആണ് 85. So here 15. That means for 80 kilometer 4 hours. So plus 15. 4 hours plus 15 minutes. So the time taken for 85 kilometer is equal to 4 hours 15 minutes. You know how to divide the fraction? Last year നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ച in 4th we studied the multiplication and division of fraction. ഇത് മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ? മനസ്സിലായെങ്കിൽ ചെയ്തു നോക്കാം. മനസ്സിലാകാത്തവർ ചോദിക്കാം. ഇനി ഈ ഫ്രാക്ഷന്റെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ഒന്നുകൂടെ കാണിച്ചു തരാം. Here 1/2 we want to divide it by 2. 1/2. In 1/2 it's what is this and this what? In upper side is numerator. Do you remember that? Numerator. Then lower part denominator. So in 1/2 we want to divide by 2. 2 means what is the denominator of 2? It's 1. If natural numbers or whole numbers are all numbers of denominator that is 1. 1 denominator വരുന്നത് നമ്മൾ എഴുതാറില്ല. സോ നമ്മൾ 1/2 ന്റെ ഹാഫ് എടുക്കണമെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ അതിനെ രണ്ടായിട്ട് ഭാഗിക്കണം. That means we want to divide 1/2 by 2. Okay? In fractions, division, how can we do division of fractional numbers? For that, first you take the reciprocal and multiply by the number. Okay? First you take the reciprocal and multiply by that number. So 1/2 division changes to multiplication. That is 2 take its reciprocal. That means 2 changes. That means denominator changes to numerator and numerator changes to denominator. That is 2 changes. 2 its denominator is 1. Then take it reciprocal. That is this go to numerator and this go to denominator. That is 1/2. Now it's very simple. Directly we multiply numerator and by numerator and denominator by denominator. So 1/1. Sorry, 1 into 1. 1. 2 by 2 into 2. 4. So 1/4. So the 1/2 ഇതിന്റെ half. ഇതിന്റെ half of 1/2 is equal to 1/4. 1/4 means നമ്മൾ പറയില്ലേ കാൽ, അര, കാൽ അങ്ങനെ പറയില്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ ഇതൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് ഓർത്തിരിക്കണം കേട്ടോ. ഫിഷിന്റെ കഥയൊക്കെയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, എന്നാലും നമ്മൾ ഇതൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് ഓർത്തിരിക്കണം. Now the fisherman very worried. Why? Because the motorboat can travel large distance in deep sea, but the fisherman cannot there. The large boats can also known as trawler. In trawler boat there are many fishermen are there. They can move very large distance in deep sea and they can stay there for many days there, and they spread their net there and wait for 2 or 3 days and catch a large, that means thousands of kilograms fishes can catch the trawler boat. Okay, but the fisherman cannot go there. Why? The fisherman boat is a low boat. They cannot move large distance. In trawler boat they can move large distance and they can reach the deep sea and catch large thousand means thousands kilograms of fishes. In that fishes, there are many small fishes can include, means baby fishes. Okay, they catch all fishes from deep sea, and then the deep sea will empty. But in fishermen, in the case of fishermen, they went to the sea, not in large distance, and their nets are big. Okay, students, there is a question for you. Here is a table is given here in this board. There is 3 questions for calculation. The first question, that means first I explain this table. Means there are 4 types of boats are given here, and it's speed in hour per hour, and how much fish they catch in one trip. One trip how much fish can catch in one trip. That is given in kg, and its speed is given in kilometer per hour. So we want to find out. The first question is about how much fish in all each type of boat bring in 7 trips. That means we want to find out the amount of fish or the weight of fish that catch in 7 trips. In one trip is given here. First boat is log boat. In the log boat catches 20 kilogram fishes in one trip. Okay, 20 kilogram fishes in one trip. Then we want to find out how much fishes can be catch in 7 trips. 7. So the calculation is multiplication. Means we want to multiply weight of fish in one catch into how many catch? 7. Means 20 into 7. What is the answer? Avoid 0 in this 20. For multiplication of last 0 digit number, avoid 0 and multiply the numerals by itself, and put how many zeros are we left. That means 2 into 7. 2 sevens are 40, and there is only 1 0, so you put 1 0. That means 140 kilogram fishes they can catch. That means in one trip the log boat can catch 20 fishes. In 7 trips they can catch 140 kilogram. Same like that, calculate the amount, the weight of fishes that catch in 7 trips of long tail boat. In long tail boat they catches maximum 600 kilogram fishes in one trip. In one trip, long tail boat catches 600 kilogram. Then in 7 trip is equal to 600 into 7 is equal to 7 6 are 42, and how many zeros are there? 2. So you put 2 zeros. So what is the number? Read it. The large numbers. Can you read it? Large number. Yes. First say the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So 4,200. 4,200. Again 4,200. Understand? Yes. In 7 trips, the long tail boat can catch 4,200 kilogram of fish. Next, motor boat. In motor boat, they can catch 800 kilogram fish in one trip. Then how much fishes they catch in 7 trips? So you multiply 800 by 7 is equal to 8 into 7. 8 sevens are 56, and how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So number is, read it. I don't know how to read this number. Yes, say ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So 5,600 kilogram. 5,600 kilogram fishes can catch in 7 trips by motor boat. Next, last one, machine boat. In machine boat, they catch more fish. Very large amount of fish they can catch. That means how much? Read the number. Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So 6,000. 6,000 kilogram fishes can catch in one trip by machine boat. boat. So machine boat is the largest boat. Okay, largest capacity and largest speed maybe. Yes, 22 km per hour. So how much fish they can catch in 7 trips? So here we want to multiply 6,000 by 7. Here set 7s are 42 and 3 zeros. Read this number. Sorry, here. You know how to separate the periods periods of numbers in Indian system where we put commas. After 3 digits we put or we separate the digits by comma. Okay, then read it. Once it tens 100,000, 10,000. So the number is read together. 42,000. 42,000 kilogram they are catch in one. Sorry, in not one, in 7 trips. In 7 trips, 42,000 kilogram fishes. Okay, all of you understand in the weight or the amount of fish or the weight of the fishes they catch in one trip is given here. There are 4 different types of boats are here. You want to find out how much fishes can catch in 7 trips. For that, you want to multiply 7 by each boat's fishes per one trip. Okay, the answer is here. The next question, about how far can a motor boat go in 6 hours? Then next question, in 6 hours, how much? Question is in 6 hours. Question is again, about how far can a motor boat go in 6 hours? In motor boat. Where is motor boat? Yes. In motor boat. In motor boat. How far can a motor boat go in 6 hours? In 6 hours, how far they can move? In 1 hour they move. They travel 20 kilometers. In 1 hour they can move in 20 kilometers. Means in 1 hour 20 kilometers means they travel maximum 20 kilometers in 1 hour. So we want to find out in 6 kilometers. In 6 kilometers how much distance they can travel. So we want to multiply the distance of 1 hour into 6 is equal to 6 2s are 12 and 1 0 is equal to 120 kilometers in 6 hours. 6 hours how many kilometers they can travel? They can travel 120 kilometers means 120 kilometers can travel motor boat. 120 kilometers can the motor boat can travel. Okay. How we got the answer? In 1 hour they travel 20. In 2 hours means 20 into 2. In 3 hours 20 into 3. So in 6 hours 20 into 6 means equal to 120 kilometers. All of you understand? The last question. If a long tailboat has to travel 60 kilometers, how long will it take? That means the time taken for travel 6 kilometers. Which boat? Long tailboat. The long tailboat. Long tailboat. The last third question is how much time taken? How much time taken for travel 60 kilometers for long tailboat? 60 kilometer travel. How much time taken? How much time taken for travel 60 kilometers? Here long tailboat take 1 hour for travel 12 kilometers. 1 hour in 1 hour. In 1 hour they travel 12 kilometers. So how much time taken for 6 kilometers? Okay. Then how much time for 6 kilometers? That means 60 kilometers. That means 2 hours is equal to, it's a double 24 like that. But there is an easy step for 60 divided by 12. equal to, okay, 60 divided by 12 means 5. That means 5 hour need for travel. 5 hour. 5 hour for need to travel 60 kilometer. 60 kilometer travel ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് 5 hour ആവശ്യമാണ്. 1 hour the long tail boat can move 12 kilometer in 2 hour 24, in third hour 36, like so on. So if there is an easy step that 60 divided by 12. We want to calculate the time taken for 60 kilometers. So you divide 60 by 12. 60 by 12 is equal to 5 hours. So in 5 hours they can travel 60 kilometers. Okay, all of you understand the 3 questions. This question is little not tough, it is more for doing. Calculation is more. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are only 3 questions is given, but we want to find out 7 calculation. We want to do 7 calculation. Okay, then I wind up my class, today's math class. So try out to find out more questions from these lessons. I will give the notes and these questions in WhatsApp group. Okay, bye.